SQL topics you must master: SQL commands, constants, aggregate functions, clauses, joins, views, subqueries, and normalization. Why focusing on these topics works? Because these are the building blocks of SQL. Once you get a strong grip on them, you can handle almost any questions that comes your way. Whether it's dealing with large datasets or answering logic questions, this concept will come into play. So master this and you will be able to handle 80% of interview questions with confidence. The best part is once you get comfortable with this, learning advanced SQL concepts becomes much easier. So instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on this high impact topic first. Trust me, it's the easiest way to get SQL interview ready. So the next step is practice smart, not hard. Now that you have know what to focus on, ultimately practice is the key. But don't just solve random problems, work with real data and build queries using sample datasets like employee data, orders or sales transaction. This will prepare you for real world questions in interview. And use platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank to find problems based on these topics we just talked about. Try solving at least 5 to 10 problems a day and focus on improving your speed and accuracy. Next, simulate interviews. Do mock interviews with friends or online platforms. This helps you get comfortable with the pressure and timing of solving problems in an actual interview. Let's discuss 3-step strategy to help you prepare like a pro. It's called RQR strategy: resource, questions, and revise. Follow this and you will be ready to crack any SQL interviews. The first step is knowing what to study and where to study from. So start with core SQL topics like joins, subqueries, aggregate functions, constant, views, normalization, and make sure you understand how SQL commands work and when they are used. Coming to best learning resources, use W3 Schools and SQL Zoo. Great for beginners to understand SQL syntax. Coming to LeetCode and HackerRank, this helps in solving SQL problems step by step. And if you want real interview experience, practice mock interview platforms. Now you know what to study. So the next step is practicing smartly. Here is a simple method to follow. Start with easy questions. Begin with simple select queries, where condition and order by. Then move to medium level problems. Try group by, aggregate functions and joins. Then challenge yourself with hard problems. Work on subqueries, window functions and performance optimization. Then don't rush. The key is to progress step by step. Start easy, then slowly challenge yourself. This way, you can build confidence and problem solving skills. Most people make the mistake of just practicing once and moving on. But the secret to mastering SQL is revision. Do daily SQL challenges, solve at least one problem every day, and revisit old problems. Try different approaches to solve the same problem. Then analyze mistake. Understand where you went wrong and how to improve. Remember, the more you practice and revise, the more confident you will be in your interviews. Here are some additional tips to help you excel in your SQL interview. Optimize the journey, not just the query. SQL interviews often test your problem solving process, not just the final query. So, optimize your thinking by practicing strategic approaches to common problems. For example, when working with joins, think of the best join type and order of operations that can simplify and optimize the query from the start. Then, don't just solve, teach the solution. SQL is not about getting the right result, it's about communicating how you got there. During the interview, explain your thought process aloud. This will not only impress the interviewer but also helps you clarify your understanding of core SQL concepts. The clearer you can teach your solution, the better you will understand it. SQL isn't just code, it's logic. Treat SQL like a logic puzzle, don't memorize queries. Understand the logic flow behind them. SQL is a language to express relationship and operations between data. So focus on thinking logically and connecting the dots. The more you understand how data flows, the faster you will be able to tackle new problems during the interview. Last but not least, data is king but query is queen. Mastering data is essential, but knowing how to query the data is what wins you the interview. Focus on understanding the structure and relationships of the data you are working with. Then sharpen your querying skills to get the right information out efficiently and accurately. Alright, you made it till the end. Here is your bonus tip. And to help you with that, I have created a special SQL practice sheet, your ultimate checklist of must solve SQL problems. Want it? It's completely free. Just check the link in the description and start solving. If you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic, drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Looking for more resources? Check out our channel. Thanks for tuning in. Good luck with your interview journey. Stay confident, stay prepared, and you're sure to succeed. See you in next video. Until then, take care and happy learning.